Today we'll be demonstrating how to use a digital multimeter. तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास एक digital multimeter है. देखो बेटा, this is V. Usman, can you tell me what is the difference between this V and this V?
This is direct voltage and this is alternating voltage.
Very good. This is direct voltage and this is alternating voltage. So this will measure alternating voltage जो आपके घरों में directly आती है, and this will measure direct voltage. Direct voltage की एक कोई example दीजिए उस्मान.
Battery.
Very good, battery. अच्छा, Afan, what is this symbol used for? This symbol here. Qasim, can you tell me?
Resistor.
क्या?
Resistor.
Resistance. Very good. तो अब यहाँ पे first we'll demonstrate कि voltage इससे कैसे measure करेंगे. So here we have a port. यहाँ पर आप मुझे बताइए ये direct current है या alternating voltage measure करेंगे. अब हम इसको किस पे set करेंगे?
600 पे.
600 पे क्यों करेंगे?
कि वहाँ से वोल्टेज 200 से ज़्यादा होगी.
बिल्कुल 200 से ज़्यादा होगी. Afan, can you hold this for me? We'll put one here, one probe here. Can you focus on the voltage? Can you get closer, physically closer? Yes. So this is 200 and 22. 222. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now let's have some more examples. Now we'll be demonstrating how we can find resistances of different resistors using this multimeter. Okay? Fine. What do you think this is, Usman? Very good. This is a resistor. तो हम इस resistor, इस digital multimeter को कहाँ पर set करेंगे? Can you show us? What does this M mean? I haven't told you this, but can you guess what does this M mean? M means? So 20M means 20 million ohms. 2M means 2 million ohms. 200K means 200,000 ohms. Very good. 2K means
2000 ohms.
2000 ohms. 200 means 200 ohms. Fine. Now, since I don't know the value of this resistor, I'll just be making a guess and trying to find the resistance. Now, what is the resistance? 118.5. Now, what would happen if I put it at 2K? ये मुझे divide 1000 करके देगा आंसर. क्या देगा?
Divide 1000.
ठीक है, because this is 1000 ना. तो now, can you find the value of these resistors? Let's begin with Qasim. I'll give you 3 different resistors, and you need to tell me the resistors of these 3 or whatever number of resistors. Pick any one. Okay, it's okay. Pick another one. So it's the same resistor that we used before. Now pick another one. What does this OL mean?
Over limit.
We can say that it's over limit. Yeah, out of range.
It's not
Right?
range.
So what can you do? What can you do to fix this? You increase the range. It's still more. Still. You need to touch it. You need to touch it, darling. Yes. Let me show you. Can you hold it there?
136. 142.
Okay, let's just say it's 140K. ठीक है? Now what's 140K?
1,40,000.
1,40,000 or 140,000. Any of the two. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Qasim, can you tell me, Afan, Afan, can you tell me the resistance of this resistor? 0.2k. So it's like it's the answer is 0.2k. ठीक है? 0.2k. अब आप क्या करना चाहेंगे? Would you like to change this setting? Change the setting of the multimeter?
Yes.
Would you like to change it? कहाँ की ओर ले जाएंगे?
पीछे
Very good. ज़्यादा ले लें. 215k. 2,15,000 or 215,000 ohms. What is the SI unit of resistance? Afan? Ohms. Very good. Another resistor. Point 021. Would you like to change it? Would you like to change the range setting in the multimeter? Where would you like to put it? Okay, yes, 21.2. So it's a very small resistor. 21.2. Pick another one. That one. वो वहाँ पे है, बिल्कुल. हाँ. Okay. Find the resistor of this resistance. It's out of range. This would have a huge resistance. Oh yes.
145.
144. Let's just say it's 144.
K.
144k.
1 lakh.
ठीक है? 40,000. 1,40,000. ठीक? समझ आया? अच्छे से? Thank you. Thank you, sir.